Let's
Go to the park?
yes.
Yeah. Really?
Let's
Yeah.
got jumps. Then
Can you get it from the mommy?
yes. Oh yes.
I don't want to.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Hurt.
You're doing such a good job.
Oh gosh. What else? What else? Oh yes.
Tell her what you had for breakfast. Tell her that you had blueberries.
My body.
Tell her you had blueberries. Are y'all done talking? Is she there? Say, Grandma, are you there?
I'm listening. Parker, do you like blueberries?
Nose.
Blueberries?
Oh, no, Chancey doesn't want to talk to her.
Yes, Mr. Leslie.
Oh that was.
Uh-huh.
Look at this.
Really?
What else? Oh. How do you
Are you talking? I don't think Chancey wants to talk on the phone.
Okay, watching us.
Yep. Big slow boy.
Parker, tell her what happened. Tell her what happened. Tell her.
What happened?
What happened, Parker? What happened in your story? Are you going to talk or say bye-bye and give it the phone to Mama?
I think I
Are you hang up on me?
watching.
Say, no, I'm talking.
Huh?
Say, no, I'm talking.
I know this. Okay, okay.
You chat a lot. This is good. You're able to chat a lot.
Can you say, I love you?
I know this. But that's how I know. But I'm not.
Parker, say, I love you. Are you done talking? Can I have the phone?
I'm good.
Can I have the phone, please?
Oh,
Are you done telling your stories? Can Mama have the phone? Oh, now I can have it. Thank you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Parker, say bye-bye. Oh, he doesn't want to. Give.
What are you trying to tell me?
Can I have the phone? Are you cleaning the kitchen? Tell Grandma you're cleaning the kitchen and talking on the phone. Can I? Parker, can I have the phone?
Are you going to eat some more blueberries? What? Will you eat more blueberries?
Say, I love you.
I love you, Father. I'm going to see you in a couple of weeks. Yeah. And I'm like,
Yes.
Can you say turkey? Oh,
you have turkey tails?
thank you. Say bye-bye. Nope, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Parker, you have to say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, then don't say bye-bye. You gonna say bye-bye? Bye-bye.